I thought I'd do this live. We're trying to create a little pocket park on the top of the hill because most farmers here do not like trees. They seem to cut them all down. But we're sort of creating little sort of woodland, which has been growing actually for about 5 years. But we do have a little bit of sheep damage. You know, one tree that I really like are actually this Scots pine. Okay, this good old Scotia. So Scots pines was really nice. So I'm loving this. So this is, you know, Scots pines have been basically eradicated from this landscape. So we've got a bit of willow alongside our pond, and so one thing that we do to protect the trees from sheep attacks is to actually put around them. So let's have a little look at the wall. So there we go. Got wool on the trees. Right, but we've had some sheep attacks recently, just one single sheep, right, has done all that to protect that one. So we've had to protect that one and protect that one. We're using plastic on that one and not wool, and that one. So sheep don't seem to like to attack the Scots pine. So the reason I got the tyres there is so that I can sort of protect a little bit of a sapling there. There's the pond. So we've had the pond there for 5 years. That hasn't actually come across, done anything either. So, sort of part of an archaeological excavation, sort of backfilling, sort of grading the soil that we've actually taken out. So farmer, archaeologist, that's 2 bits so far. Next bit, YouTuber. So what I'm doing is looking at these trees and actually trying to fix damage. And I'm thinking, oh, there's no damage to that one, is there? So no, we haven't got any damage to that tree. So no sheep damage to that tree, right? Or is there any damage? So let's have a little more look at the damage. So I did a bit of a live earlier on and there were a few people on here, but there's no, right, here we go. That is damage there. So I'm going to do that, sort that out. And we've got a little bit of a lamb coming across. Come on, lamb. Come on, snowflake. See, let's have a little look at our snowflake. Do you want to see snowflake? Oh, that is little snowflake. Little snowflake lost her mummy, right, a few days ago. So we're bottle feeding it. So a lot to eat this morning, so it goes everywhere with us. Yeah, so that's good. No, it's not good. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this stuff on the tree, if I can find my bucket. And so we're going to go on to the tree stuff. And do you know what? I'm going to do some more lives like this. So there you go. Oh, there she is. So those are actually watching. Don't forget to like. Oh yeah, I wanted to say that those that actually follow my archaeology on YouTube, right? Oh, hang on a minute. Let's turn this around. Those that actually follow my archaeology on YouTube, right? Multi-talented, multi-madness, more like. And then, oh, she wants to be filmed. There she is. Doesn't she look great? Any donations are really welcome. So anyone who actually wants to follow me on YouTube, you can subscribe on YouTube. So my YouTube channel is KARL-JAMES Langford, right? But tomorrow, which is Tuesday and Wednesday, after 7:10, only people who actually join, pay the £1.99 a month, can actually see 4 exclusive images from the archaeological excavations, the Boudiccan destructive layers at Colchester. And they're being exclusively provided, not for public viewing, only for people who actually sort of join to my channel, actually my students. So, so this is what we're going to do. So I'm not really sure if I can multitask on this, but what I'm going to have to do is if we sort of do that there, we got that there. So we're going to do that. Can we see that on the tree? I think we can. So I've got to get this stuff which is green, and I've got to put it on the tree. This green, I can't show it because it go everywhere. So this is damage. This is damage from one of my sheep. And unfortunately, damage like this is either critical, or it can be repaired. So I don't know what this green stuff is like. So we're going to see what we can do. So anyone who actually wants to join my YouTube channel will be very, very welcome. As I say, it's Carl J. Langford. So I'm going to finish that. I need to get the lid on. Our little baby is over there. A little baby lamb. So it's like, the thing is, you know, I sort of looked up recently what the word narcissist is. So somebody who wants, sort of, who does something in a way and always expects reward. So is that everyone who's got a YouTube channel? But the thing is, I've gone beyond that now, because whether you follow me on YouTube or not, it don't matter. I really don't care. I do care if you want to sort of be involved more in what we're doing. Right, so I'm going to end this recording, but anyone who wants to be, oh, this is my YouTube, isn't it? I thought this was going on TikTok. So yeah, if anyone wants to join my channel, then £1.99 a month, which is great. I would like a few more likes before I go. That's the narcissist, isn't it? Wanting likes and sort of recognition. But I'm really impressed that I've managed to reach out to the archaeological community. I'm still an archaeologist. I'm one of the despised archaeologists because I make a lot of noise. But I'm looking at these 4 images tomorrow, and I've got to respect the fact that they're not to sort of be made public. So I really respect that, sort of keep everybody happy. And so, as I say, if you do want to join my channel, join it. You're a subscriber, I know. If anyone's subscribed, I really appreciate that. Don't forget to like. I want a couple more likes, please. Bit of egotistical stuff. And oh, there we go. We got Muck. What's your name? Muck MCD Bosham. Right. So you're McDonald from the village of Bosham, which is that like in Kent or somewhere like that? Sounds like that, doesn't it? I got to find my glasses. Right. This is the problem. I'll put my oh, there's my glasses in the bucket. So I'm just gonna. I'm hoping to get. I'm hoping to get some reeds for our pond, because our pond. Hang on, let's have a look at the reeds. There's the pond. Now we've had this pond for like. My missus created this like 5 years ago. So like, it's just yeah, we need more to it. As I say, I discovered damaged trees yesterday. Sheep, and it's just one sheep, so no damage to that tree because it's a Scots pine. Look at this. It's absolute lush, you know, absolute lush. I'm loving it, you know. So I want to do more lives. So anyone out there, this is the randomness. Can I be a mod? What's a mod? Yes, brother. What's a mod? Can't be mod. Can I be a mod? Can't be mod. Yes, brother. Look, I'm going to say this again. Anyone who wants to see these 4 Roman images tomorrow, anyone wants to see these 4 exclusive Roman images of the Boudiccan layer tomorrow, I can't keep stressing it. Really lucky to have these images. Join the channel, £1.99 a month, right? So I'm going to do more lives. Thank you, randomness. I think you're already a subscriber. If Muck Boysham, you're not a subscriber, make sure you subscribe. But if you join the channel, £1.99. I tell you, any of you guys, right, who actually subscribe to my channel today, because you are a subscriber, really appreciate subscribers. I'm getting a bit lost in words. If you do join my channel, £1.99 a month, and you sort of comment then and say, look, I've joined your channel, right? I'll send you a free copy of my book, Romans in South Wales. Can't get any better than that. Salesman to the last. Also a salesman. So I'm going to call that a day now. Thank you very much. The ones on there, and I'm off. And take care. Look after yourselves. As I say, like, subscribe. Cheers. Bye. 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 Cheers.